Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing the recipe of Goan green chutney. In a mixer jar, add 1 cup of fresh coriander leaves washed. Add 3 green chilies washed and chopped. 1 inch of ginger peeled and chopped. 4 cloves of garlic. Less than half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Less than 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 roasted onion peeled and chopped. I roasted this onion on the gas burner. Half tablespoon of sugar. 3/4 teaspoon of salt or as required. 1 cup of grated coconut. 1 small lime size of tamarind soaked in water. 1 1/2 tablespoon of water. Grind into a fine paste. Here I am adding 1/4 cup of water. Here I am adding more 1/4 cup of water. For this recipe I used total half cup of water plus 1 1/2 tablespoon of water. You can add water as per your requirement. Transfer the chutney into a bowl. Add little butter and mix. Apply butter on the sliced breads. Now apply the green chutney. Place 1 sliced bread on the other sliced bread. You can cut it into half. Chutney sandwiches are now ready. If you like my videos, then do click on the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching.